Are you sleeping with the enemy? An average mattress contains millions of dust mites, bacteria, fungal spores, and other harmful microorganisms that over an extended period of time can pose a significant health risk ranging from rashes, allergies, and infections. To combat this, Sanondaf, the leading pioneer in touchless disinfection solutions, introduces the newest addition, Sanovac, to help keep you safe and free from conditions that affect your health. Sanovac uses a chemical-free approach and can disinfect to a far higher degree than conventional methods. A specialized brush pulsates to dislodge harmful debris, whilst UVC sanitizes and kills bacteria. As with all Sanondaf technologies, it is far less intrusive when compared to other, more traditional methods. Sanovac visibly removes contamination, and you can see the improvement for yourself in our after-treatment test. Sanovac is complemented by our fogging and electrostatic spray process, which is highly effective for whole-room disinfection and can be used on any surface, including soft fabrics, furnishings, and electronics. Our process also disinfects the air in inaccessible spaces and with hospital-grade efficiency. Sanondaf, touchless disinfection.